Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you all?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
Ma'am.
Nice to see you all join on time. Great. Okay. Turn on the videos. Neha, Nishika, Adya, Bhavesh hasn't joined yet. Oh my God, I can see a fan working. Ah, Trilokya. Which place are you from? Hyderabad? Okay. Our side it's completely cold. I can't even imagine the fan working. Okay. Turn on the videos. Right. So I saw your test papers. Okay. So you all have done nicely. Shai, you didn't send me the test paper. Where is your test paper?
Oh, Manisha, ma'am.
Manisha ma'am didn't send me this time. Hmm?
Oh, I have sent her, ma'am.
Okay, I'll ask. Otherwise, Manisha ma'am sends me your paper. This time I didn't get your paper.
There was
I'll ask ma'am.
one question I didn't get for the test.
Yes, beta.
There was one question I didn't get for the test, so I left it.
I know you have missed question number 5.
Yeah.
And for other questions, why didn't you write the steps? In any of the question, you have not written the steps. Why so? You have lost marks in that.
Oh,
Okay. So in every question, you have got just half marks. Because for a 4-mark question, if you are not writing the steps, then you have lost 2 marks there. So you've got marks only for your construction part. And I think there were a few more questions where you have made a mistake also. Okay, some accuracy is not there. So just I'll show you your answer sheets now. Okay. And Adya, you didn't appear for the test? Yes, Adya. Turn on the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, why didn't you give the test?
Ma'am, I was not feeling well, ma'am. I was sick.
This is not nice. Every time you don't give the test. Hmm? Why so? You give only the objective test. You have never given the subjective test.
Ma'am, I'll give this time, ma'am.
Every time you say this same thing, then what now? Hmm?
Ma'am, I'll do this time.
This time you have objective. I know you will give the objective test. What about the subjective? Okay, I'll see. Okay, Neha, please turn on the video. Okay. Children, let's move to the screen. I'll show you your papers. Okay, this is your test paper. Starting with Trilokya. Okay, Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have done all correct. So good marks. Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Then Neha. Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha has also done good. Only thing is, Neha, at one place you didn't write the steps. Okay.
Yes.
In question number 3, you didn't write the steps. You should have written, you would have got full marks. Otherwise, it's correct. Okay. Okay, then Nishika. Nishika, now see your paper. See, for the first question, you have done it correctly. You have got marks only for your construction part. You have not written steps of construction. Yes, Nishika, turn on the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then fourth question was that you had to show these things. So this question need not, there was no need of writing any steps here.
Oh.
Okay, then question number 3 again here. Now see when this question here, I don't remember what was it. I think the line was for 8.2 centimeters and this AC was supposed to be 5.4, right?
Yes.
And with that, the BC comes out to be 2.8. You have written 3 centimeter. So there is accuracy problem is there. Keep your pencil sharpened, everything. Okay. When you're doing construction, accuracy is always noted. Okay, in geometry. Okay, then for question number 2, you have done this. But this was to be done with compass. Okay. Not just make a double line of this. This was to be done with compass and without measuring. You have just made a line of 5 centimeters and 10 centimeter directly. This was to be done with the scale. So although you did not require any marks here, but anyhow, I have given 1 mark and no steps you have written. Question number 5 is missing. Then question number 3 was without measuring the length of PQ, you had to make a copy of PQ. Okay, so this was to be done with compass and steps. Okay, not just make the same measure line. Right? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
But why did you make so many mistakes here? Hmm? We were doing so many questions. We have done so many questions in the class. We wrote steps of construction for if there is no question in the class we have done without steps. Is there any? There is no question. We haven't done any question in practical geometry without steps. So how did you miss all the steps? And we have done are you understanding the chapter?
Ma'am, there are some questions that I don't understand.
But you didn't ask me that. You should have asked me, no, ma'am, please explain me. See how Adya also asked me. No, you should ask me. Ma'am, please explain me again.
Okay.
Okay, never mind. We'll revise the chapter again. Okay. If you have any difficulty, you should ask. Okay. Now this was the chapter we were doing. Okay, in this chapter I was explaining you how to make angles, right? I had shown you how to make 60-degree angle and then 30-degree angle. You remember how did we make this 60-degree and 30 degrees?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll show you again. Those who have not understood, please pay attention. Rishika, keep your videos on. Now we are constructing 60-degree angle, right? Okay. Now to make construct, listen carefully. To construct 60-degree angles, first we'll draw a baseline, right? Everyone, see, I'm showing you everything step by step. Wherever you don't understand, stop me there and ask. Okay? Yes, this is for everyone I'm saying. Okay? Adya, Shreyansh,
Yes,
Neha, Trilokya.
yes, ma'am.
This is for everyone. You can stop me and ask. And keep your videos on. So first you have to make a baseline here. Okay? Then this is the vertex point. I'm taking this point as the vertex point. Make another line. Okay, not make another line. Just make a baseline and open your compass a little. Open the compass a little. Okay. Then make a semicircle on this. With that compass opening, keep your pointer at this point and make a semicircle over it. Done? Done, children?
No, yes, ma'am.
Now, after making this, you will not change the compass setting. Okay? Be careful, your compass setting should remain the same. Now, we just mark this point as A and this as B. You can write, okay, just like this B. And this C, you can take this as D. Okay, just name these points. This is a line, okay, it's a ray. Now with the same compass opening, keep your pointer at D. Keep your pointer, compass pointer at D. Okay. And make an arc so that the arc cuts this arc. With the pointer at D, make an arc like this small arc. So that it should cut this semicircle. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have this point. Join these 2 points, this point and this A. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points and extend it further. Okay? And extend it further and put an arrow mark here. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can name this point as E, right? Now you can check with your protector that this angle that we have made is 60 degrees. Keep your compass protector center point here, and your baseline should coincide with AB. Okay? Baseline of the protector should coincide with AB and keep your center at A. A center should coincide with A. Okay? Then check whether you have got 60-degree angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got 60 degrees?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got the correct.
Okay, so now you have understood how do you construct 60-degree angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, will you write the steps of construction?
Ma'am.
Please write. Everyone should write. Write down the steps. Nishika, I want to see how do you write the steps. Okay, Nishika, tell me the first step you have written.
Ma'am, first step I did was first draw line AB.
Okay, good. Next.
Next step I did make a semicircle starting from A and then label it as CD.
Okay. So you have to write, open your compass. Okay. Open your compass to some measurement. Then keeping pointer at A. Okay. Keeping pointer at A or with center as A, make a semicircle. Okay. Then what is your next step?
Ma'am, name the points B and C.
Name the point CD. Then
And keep the pointer at C and draw an arc with the same measurement.
okay. Yes. Yes. Good, Neha. Good. Just a second. Let me ask Nishika also. Nishika, tell me what you have written. Unmute first.
Then, uh, then I wrote, put a pointer at D, and then make an arc with the same length.
Okay, then.
Ma'am, I didn't write until H.
Okay, then what will you write? What is the next step after that?
Ma'am, then you would connect the line from A to E and
Join AE. Join A and E
extend it.
and extend it. Okay, good, beta. So this is how you should write the steps. Okay. Okay, have all written the steps? Anyone has any difficulty here in constructing 60-degree? Yes, Shreyansh? No. Okay, anyone else? See, when you know how to construct 60-degree angle, you will get to know how to construct other angles also. Okay. Now see, I'll show you how to construct now bisector, angle bisector. Now see, bisector means dividing into equal parts. So if I have to divide 60 into two equal parts, that means each angle should be of what measure? 30 degrees, no? So each angle should be of 30 degrees. Now we'll make angle 30 degrees. Okay? Let's do. Okay. Now to make 30-degree, you can even write here angle bisector. We made angle 60-degree, now we are bisecting it. So whatever line we make to bisect it, that will be called angle bisector. Now the procedure is, first you have to construct the same 60-degree angle as you did just now. Okay, construct this line like this, right? Semicircle here, then from this point D, this was C, D, this was E here. Okay, like this you made, no? Right? So you have to construct 60-degree angle first. Right? Everyone make 60-degree angle first. Quickly, without taking much time.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, have all made 60-degree?
Yes.
Okay. Now see with your compass.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Keep your compass pointer at D and your pencil at E. Okay, measure this distance DE. Measure the distance DE with the compass. Pencil at D, pointer at D and pencil at E. Measure the distance. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now open your compass.
Can you repeat again?
I'm saying with your compass, measure the distance DE. Keep your compass pointer at D and pencil at E. Done? Done? Yes, Abhya?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So all have measured distance DE. Now open your compass little more than DE. Open the compass little more than DE. Done? Now keep your compass pointer at D and make an arc within the two rays. Keep your pointer at D and make an arc between these two lines. Keep the pointer at D and make an arc. Done, everyone? Okay. The next step is, don't change the compass measurement. Keep your pointer at E and make an arc like this so that the two arcs cut each other. Okay, with the same compass measurement. Keep your pointer at E and make an arc so that it cuts the previously made arc.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Now you have got this point of intersection here and this A point. Okay, join these 2 points, right? And extend it further. Okay, now we can name this point as F, right? Join AF and extend it further. Done?
No, ma'am, one minute. Done, ma'am.
Neha, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, Shreyansh?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now you can check with your protector that are these two angles 30 degrees. Check whether this line is at 30-degree point. Just check. This should be 60 degree. This line should be at 30 degrees. Check.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. Everyone check with your protector.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will get accuracy only when your pencil is well sharpened. Okay? If your pencil is blunt, you're not holding the rulers correctly, you're not holding the compass properly, you will not get accurate measurements. Okay? And in geometry, accuracy matters. Right? So this we call it as angle bisector. That means dividing the angle into two equal parts. Okay. So initially the angle was 60 degree, but after bisecting what happened? You got this lower part as 30 degree and this upper part also as 30 degrees. Right? Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are the two main things that you should know in this concept. If you know how to make an angle and how to construct its bisector, then you can do for any angle. Okay. Now I'll show you the next thing I'll show you.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, do we have to write the steps?
Yes, you have to write the steps. Okay. First 60-degree steps are the same that you have written. So no need to write the steps. You can just write here, construct angle 60 degree. Your first step can be construct angle 60 degree. Okay. Right? Construct angle. If you're writing steps for angle bisector, you can write construct angle 60 degree. Then your second point is that keeping the pointer at D, make an arc in between the two rays AB, and you can name it as E. This we haven't named this line. No, you can write it as E dash. Or you write it as G. Don't write E dash, write G. Okay, so take this line as G. AG and AB. Keep
The compass pointer at D and make an arc in the interior.
make an arc in the interior of line segment AB and AG. Similarly, with the same compass measurement, your next step is with the same compass measurement, keep your pointer at E, keep the pointer at E and make an arc cutting the previous arc. With the compass pointer at E, make an arc cutting the previous arc. Done? Written this much? Yes, Adya, Nishika, written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next point is join AF. Join AF. Join AF and extend it. Join AF and extend it. Join AF and extend it. Now your last point is verify with the protector. Verify with the protector. Okay. Verify with the protector that angle GAF, okay, is equal to angle BAF equals to 30 degrees. Verify with the protector. Okay. Verify with protector that angle GAF is equal to angle BAF equals to 30 degrees. That means both angles are 30 degrees. Okay. Yes, good, Shreyansh. Very nice. Have all understood now? Everyone? Yes, good, Adya. Very nice. Nishika, are you understanding now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you didn't stop me anywhere, no? That means no doubt. Good, Neha. Good, beta. Good. Okay. Okay, now let's see. We'll do angle 60. Let's do angle 120 degrees. Let's make an angle measure of 120 degrees. Okay. So you just learned now how to construct 60-degree angle. So on the same grounds, okay, we'll make angle 60 degrees, 120 degrees. Okay. So for that, first you have to construct a line AB. Please make a line AB. Okay. Make a line segment AB. Since we are making angles, so they just extend it slightly and make a arrow here. Yes. Who's
Ma'am,
this?
can you repeat the steps?
I've just started with it. Don't worry. Okay. Make a line AB.
Okay, ma'am.
We are making angle 120 degrees. Make a line AB. Then the same thing that we did to construct 60 degree. What was that? Open your compass a little and make a semicircle over it. Yes, the same thing. Then open the compass a little. make a semicircle over it. Then don't change the compass measurement, okay? You will not change the compass measurement after that. Everyone has made this semicircle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now with the same compass measurement, you will not change the compass measurement at all. With the same compass measurement, now I have named these points as C and D. Keep your pointer at D and make an arc like this so that it cuts the semicircle here. Okay, do this much. With pointer at D and the same compass measurement, cut an arc like this. Make an arc on the semicircle. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Are they done? Neha, done? Trilokya?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. What about Adya? Okay. So now, see, this is the 60-degree mark here. This we had done at 60 degree. Now, you will not change the compass measurement again. Okay. Keep your compass measurement same. Now, we name this point as A, B, C, D. We name it as E. Okay. Now, keep your pointer at E and the same compass measurement. Make an arc like this. Make another arc on this semicircle. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we name it as F. This point is now F. Now join A with F. Join AF. Join AF and extend further. Okay? Join
Ma'am,
AF.
where we have to keep this F?
Keep your, with the same compass measurement, keep your pointer at E. Okay? And make this arc at F. Okay? With your pointer at E, make another arc on this semicircle. Right? Adya?
Yes, ma'am. F point, ma'am.
Yes, F. Join
Ma'am, we
AF.
have to keep the pointer at E, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Pointer at E and make another arc on the semicircle. Okay? Okay? And that point you should name it as F. Join AF and extend it. Now name this line as G. Okay, name this. Right? So now this angle that you have got is 120 degrees. Okay, this is now an obtuse angle, 120 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got this now, 120-degree angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adya,
Yes,
any doubts here?
ma'am. I didn't understand the diagram, ma'am.
See, first make like this, make a line segment AB. Where were you? You were not there in between when I was calling your name. Were you somewhere else? See, this is the line segment AB. First, listen carefully, Adya, now. Adya, listen carefully. I'm repeating it for you. Make a line segment AB. Open the compass a little. Make a semicircle over it. Okay, keeping the pointer at A. Make a semicircle over it. Done, Adya?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the F point, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Don't draw. Just listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Now name this point as CD. Okay. Then with the same compass measurement as you made for this semicircle, keep your pointer at D and cut an arc over this semicircle. Right? Name this as E. Then with the pointer at E, cut another arc on this semicircle. Okay, name this point as F. Now join AF and extend it. Now you understood, Adya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I understood.
So now this angle is 120 degrees. Okay. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
First you made this 60-degree arc. If you join AF, you will get 60-degree angle here. You made it above. And when you take another 60-degree arc, you will get 60 plus 60. That's 120. Okay. You understood? Understood. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone has a doubt here, please ask. Nishika, Adya, anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so today you must practice 60-degree angle. Okay, you must practice making 30-degree angle. You must practice making 120-degree angle. Right? Yes.
Yes.
And one more homework. Yes, good better. Yes. Now see, and along with steps also. Okay. You will practice doing this along with writing the steps also. And one more thing for homework is that you will construct angle 90 degrees. Angle 90 degrees. You will construct. Now I have shown you how to construct angle bisector. How will you construct 90 degrees?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes, say.
Ma'am, you construct a 120 degrees angle and you find the bisect. You first construct a 60 degrees angle and make it and 120 on the same angle and then find its bisector.
Absolutely right. Okay. So you will construct 60 degree, then 120 degree, and then you will bisect it. How will you do that? See, on the same lines, you have to, like this, keep your pointer. Look here, please pay attention. You will be doing it for homework. Okay. Like this, with the pointer at D, make an arc, then make another arc like this. Okay. Right? So this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Now, what will you do here? You keep your measure this distance with your compass. Open your compass little more than this much distance. This was point E, this was point F. So open your compass little more. Then keeping pointer at E, make this arc. Keeping pointer at F, make this arc. And then join these 2 points. You can name this point anything. Okay. F, G, H you can write. Okay. You can, okay. So join AH and this becomes your 90 degrees angle. It will be straight line. Okay. I have just made it roughly. So when you bisect 60 degree and 120 degree, you will get angle 90 degrees. Right? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Did you try it for homework?
Yes, sir.
You should try it. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't get, then we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Okay. And please practice making 60-degree, 30-degree, 120 along with the steps and 90-degree angle construction. Okay. This is your homework. Please note down the homework. Note down the homework. Okay, one more thing I wanted to ask you. For this Sunday test, I think I should give you, it's been a long time, we haven't revised ratio and proportions. Yes? Should I give you ratio and proportions for Sunday test?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And on Saturday, we'll revise ratio and proportions. Okay? Okay? On Saturday, we'll revise. So you should also revise and keep your doubts ready. In Saturday's class, we can discuss whatever doubts you have. Okay, so I'll put up the syllabus message also in the WhatsApp. Okay, beta. Thank you. Thanks for joining everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, you too. Bye.